Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Instagram page for your YouTube channel. First, set up a professional Instagram business account. This unlocks valuable analytics and scheduling tools. Choose a profile picture that is your YouTube channel logo for instant recognition. Craft a compelling bio, including a clear call to action and a direct link to your latest video or channel. Make sure your Instagram username matches your YouTube channel name for brand consistency. Now, let's talk about content. Share short, engaging video clips and teasers from your YouTube videos to entice viewers. Post behind-the-scenes photos and daily life updates to build a personal connection with your audience. Leverage Instagram stories and reels for interactive content like polls, Q&As, and quick tutorials. Visually appealing graphics featuring key takeaways or quotes from your videos can also perform very well. To maximize your reach, research and use a mix of relevant niche and broad hashtags. Aim for 10 to 15 hashtags per post for optimal visibility. Actively engage with your audience by responding to every comment and direct message. Consider collaborating with other creators in your niche to cross-promote content and reach new viewers. Running contests or giveaways can also significantly boost engagement and attract new followers. Finally, let's discuss analytics and promotion. Regularly monitor Instagram Insights to understand what content resonates most with your audience. Promote your Instagram page prominently on your YouTube channel, perhaps in video descriptions or end screens. Cross-promote your content across all your social media platforms for maximum exposure. For specific videos, consider running targeted Instagram ads to reach a broader, relevant audience and drive traffic.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.